This is an alert day.
Strong storms and heavy winds move through Maryland. A tree goes down on an apartment building in Joppa. No one was hurt there. Hello, everybody. I'm Denise Koch, and welcome to WJZ News at Noon. Well, the alert day issued because of dangerous storms. It delayed several flights this morning at BWI. Looking out over the city right now, it's a bitter day outside. It's gray, damp, windy. But the good news is the rain is moving out of here. Marty Basson, the First Alert Weather Center, monitoring some flooding conditions in Annapolis. Marty?
Yeah, Annapolis, the Inner Harbor, and we're going to check up the bay and around the Bowley's Quarters area. Let's go ahead and start with radar, though. And again, that rain, and I was out driving in it. I commuted from basically TV Hill to the Motor Vehicle Administration in Glen Burnie this morning. Took me over an hour to get there. That rain was coming down hard, and it was nasty. But that rain's now starting to pull out of the area. Let me show you the visible satellite. This is interesting. Notice down to the bottom of your screen, La Plata, Lexington Park, Bowling Green, Christchurch. Fact of the matter is we're seeing breaks in those clouds. We could easily have some sunshine come our way before not too long. We're going to keep the alert day in effect for a couple of hours because of potential coastal flooding. You can see the warnings and advisories on both sides of the bay right now. Annapolis and the Inner Harbor will have a high tide at about noonish, if you will, going up the bay a little bit to the Bowley Bar, basically where Middle River meets Chesapeake Bay. High tide's closer to 2 o'clock. Sun, again, is going to start peaking out. Temperature's going to peak up into the mid-upper 60s, to be quite honest. Wow, you just saw the computer make a little change right there. Mid-upper 60s, and then really not falling all that terribly between now and our 11 o'clock news. The big problem behind this weather is going to be wind, gusting to 40 miles an hour tomorrow. That's the bad news. The good news is the wind's going to drop off tomorrow very quickly, so by the time kids are out trick-or-treating, the wind should not be a factor. But even though the rain is ending, the sun's going to pop out, we're not done with this current weather system. Over to you.
Alert day. Let's take a live look at the WJZ Outback. You can't see it, but I'll bet it's wet out there. Saturated on the lawn. 65 degrees, Marty, and it feels close. How's that word?
It does feel close. It feels like a close mid-spring afternoon or lunch hour. Good afternoon, everyone. 16 minutes after the hour. Hopefully your day is going well, and it's been a safe one. The rain we see on radar right now, that's pretty much it. Over and said and done with before not too long. When it really stops raining on your corner for about 15 minutes or so, in other words, a good stretch of no moisture at all, rain's going to be over with in your neighborhood. Then we got to deal with some wind. But I want you to look down to the south. I showed this earlier. Look at the breaks in the clouds down to our south. And that's going to be sunshine getting us to almost 70 degrees this afternoon. Here are the coastal flood alerts. This is why we're going to keep an alert day status in effect for the next couple of hours until we get a high tide up the bay at Bowley's Quarters at about 2 o'clock. Annapolis, the Inner Harbor right now, seeing the highest tide they'll have during this this tidal cycle, if you want to look at it that way. So here are the warnings, and there are the advisories in green and in red. And again, this is primarily for communities that are affected by abnormal water levels during times of high tide or easterly winds. Temperatures right now primarily in the mid-60s, and again, they're going to go whether it's Riviera Beach, Glenarm, Eldersburg, Aberdeen, pick a location, going to go to right near 70 degrees. Here's an outlier, though, 62 degrees right now in Owings Mills. That is a foul-looking sky, isn't it? On TV Hill, 67. Humidity is 84%. It feels close. Visibility now at 10 miles. The breeze has swung around now out of the southwest at 7 instead of out of the east. Here's your statewide forecast, and for the most part, we'll see clearing skies, western Maryland, southern Maryland. The eastern shore and the beaches will take a little bit longer, but again, by dinner time, I think we may all be seeing a sunset. Okay, so your neighborhood forecast tonight, temperature's not dropping all that much. Churchville, 47. Chesapeake City, 48, Fairhill, 47. Just using Cecil and Harford County as an example, whether you're in Carroll County, Frederick County, Anne Arundel County, Baltimore County, you get the idea. Temperatures within arm's reach of 50 degrees, a mild afternoon and a mild night. And again, here's the future cast, and going, and gone. We'll have a few clouds meander about the area, and that's going to be about it. Here's your super 7-day forecast. Halloween, let's go ahead and take a look. 60 degrees is going to be the forecast time. Kids start trick-or-treating 4 o'clock, 58. 55 at 6, 8 o'clock, 52. 50 at 10 p.m. Again, it's going to be windy through the day, but the winds themselves will die off as we move into the nighttime trick-or-treating hours. Denise, over to you. All right, let's go back to that 7-day forecast. 60, 63, and 60 tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. Not a bad weekend, that's for sure. Remember, we fall backwards. We go back to standard time on Sunday. The rest of the 7 days, still pretty comfortable, 65, then the low 60s.
That's a good thing, falling back. All right.